tell us some of the trends. I mean, again, we've just come out of one of the more interesting times, for lack of a better word, more tumultuous times in this last 12, 14 months. What are you guys seeing in the data? How does that reflect on what we've just gone through, and how does it look kind of across the nation at a high level right now?
I think from a high level, what we're seeing is that the recent year and a half have really pushed the cycle in terms of time to be able to incent things that heretofore would have taken, say, multiple years to be able to accommodate. An example of that would be, the remote work from home. There's a big thought process that says, well, I need to have creativity and I need intellectual property, but doesn't necessarily have to be 100% of the time in terms of an office environment. Can it, be successful if you're working remotely? And I think that, there's many instances that people are looking at what they call the hybrid model. So we see that occurring. In addition, one of the things that has occurred during the health crisis is that certain policies have um, shut off the tap, if you will, in terms of immigration, in terms of migration. There's been a lot written about migration out of gateway cities, but what I think people forget is that the inflow, gateway cities are big practitioners of immigration in terms of people moving into large gateway cities. And because of policy and because of the health pandemic, the tap input has been shut off. And so what you see is a residual of outbound migration. And so we don't think that there are migration patterns. We see that. We believe too that in the rental market, along with everything else, it's more of a hedonic model where consumers are looking at the price they pay for housing and other items. And that really is one of the major drivers as to what dictates where and uh, you live and in terms of your social environment.